Hey guys, on this video I will be showing you how to tighten a BMX chain or any bike chain, but mainly a BMX chain. First off, the tools you'll need is a socket wrench, a 16mm, 2 wrenches for the bolts, and a flathead screwdriver for the tire in the frame. First off, obviously the chain is pretty loose. I mean, like, really loose. First off, you want to loosen the bolts a little bit, just so you can move the tire around. This is where the flathead comes in play. You want to pull back as hard as you can, make sure it's lined up, or else it'll hit the frame. So you want to pull back with that. Finger tighten first. It should be okay tight, I guess. And then you want to tighten like that. And you could probably by then release of the screwdriver. This is easier with 2 people, by the way. It's a lot harder by yourself. And you want to tighten these pretty tight. The reason why I said 2 wrenches is because just so it's more even, but once you get more experience with it, you know when it's pretty much evened out. And there you go. Simple as can be. About a 2-minute or 3-minute job, depending on if it's 1 person or 2 person. If you have 2 people, you're probably going to have it under 1:30. 1 person about 2 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty tight. You do not want it where it is absolutely mega tight, because if it is, your chain's just gonna just like stop every time you try to pedal, or just, you know, right foot forward, left foot forward, you know. Anyways, you want it about a 1/2 inch or 1 inch loose, or maybe even 1/2 of an inch, but eventually it'll stretch out. So there is your instructional how-to video on how to tighten a chain. Stay tuned for more videos.